Imagine waking up to the sound of sirens, your phone buzzing with a tsunami alert. You have just minutes to act, or be swallowed by the sea. Tsunamis don't just belong to history books. Some of the most devastating ones in the past weren't isolated events. They can happen again. The Lituya Bay Mega Tsunami of 1958, Alaska. Triggered by a massive landslide during a 7.8 earthquake. Fortunately, Lituya Bay was remote, but had this occurred near a populated coast, it would have erased entire cities. The catastrophic Indian Ocean tsunami of 2004 unleashed waves as high as 100 feet, traveling over 500 miles per hour, a staggering 9.1 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Sumatra. Over 230,000 people died across 14 countries. The 2011 Tohoku Tsunami in Japan, a 9.0 magnitude earthquake struck off the east coast of Honshu, triggering a tsunami that traveled up to 6 miles inland. Nearly 20,000 people were killed, and entire towns wiped off the map. That tsunami also caused a nuclear meltdown at Fukushima, the worst nuclear disaster since Chernobyl. The Japan Trench remains a threat. The country is now heavily fortified with seawalls and early warning systems, but even the best technology might not be enough.